So do you have an E-Z-GO? I don't know if it matters if it's gas or electric. This one happens to be electric, where you push the button, you push the brake part down, and this thing just pops back up. It won't hold. What we're gonna do is we're gonna fix that. We're gonna come under here, and if you take a look, this piece right here that moves, you see that little notch right there? That's where the parking brake is supposed to lock in, right up here, and it just keeps popping off. So we're gonna take these bolts off right up here. We're gonna take a look at this plate right here, and we're going to see if we can just turn it around or if we can grind it and put better edge on it, because I believe the edge is worn down a little bit. You can see it maybe right there where this has to come in and lock in, and then we might work on this bar a little bit too, give it more of a hook. So that's what we're gonna do. Stay tuned.
Okay, this block, you're going to see a red arrow. This is what kicks down the parking brake when you step on the throttle, or when this lever is moved, which is connected to the throttle, the accelerator pedal, and then it compresses the spring so that it pushes it back, you know, to return it to the neutral position. These two nuts right here where the arrow is how you can adjust that. To take a little slack out so it clicks that micro switch in.
So what I did was, if you look at the plate, you can see where it's kind of shiny right there and worn out, and the other side's flat. So what I did is I just flipped the plate around. I didn't grind anything off or anything. I'm just gonna tighten up the two bolts holding it, and then we'll test it and see if it works.
Alright, I'm gonna start fast forwarding this a little bit. Alright, well, that pretty much wraps up this video. I got my throttle adjusted, and I got the parking brake lever ground down at that little notch where it catches. Everything works good now. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.